Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is fragile. It is spelt F-R-A-G-I-L-E. Think fra, the letter G, and then I'll. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Fragile means easily broken or damaged, often in a way that is not easily controlled. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not sturdy, robust, or resilient. For example, you could say, the vase was fragile and had to be handled with care. Or, the ecosystem is fragile and can be easily disturbed. The word fragile comes from the Latin word fragilis, which means easily broken, referring to something that is not sturdy or resilient. The same as today. In Beauty and the Beast, Chip, a young boy, is magically transformed into a teacup. A teacup is fragile and easily broken. The name Chip is also a play on words with the boy's name, and the literal chip we can see on Chip when he takes the form of a teacup. Synonyms for fragile are delicate, brittle, frail, and vulnerable. Antonyms for fragile include sturdy, robust, resilient, and durable. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, fragile. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.